1, go! 3, 2, 1. Mastiff on the left, Kango crushing ribs, Shepard drowning the broth, unreal. 10 seconds.
Ultimate K9 Chowdown. These three champions cannot wait. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Look at that speed. Kibble flying everywhere.
Champion! The Sky Eat Dash! 3, 2, 1, go! Leonberger snatches first fight, clean, press a Canario right behind, crushing that piece.
3, 2, 1. And they're out. Look at that hustle. Doberman's got the first fight. Bulldogs powering through. Huskies laser focus. Belts reverse. Whoa, they don't. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Move! Freeze! Sit! Good! Eat! Round 2! Move it! Stop! Last fight! Eat! Ha! That's what I'm talking about!
For the Ring Feast Rush. You know the rules. Grab it before it spins away. Double ring mode. Let's crank it up. That is a wrap. Give it up for our hungry champion.